So after spending the last few days living at the literal dream at Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea, staying at the Grand Nikko which felt like a cloud, and after that we finally headed to Tokyo City. In this vlog, which is also the last one from this trip, I'm going to take you around to the coolest spots that we discovered. We are talking TeamLab, an Alice in Wonderland themed cafe, cutest dog cafe ever, Shibuya Sky, and a whole lot of chaos at the making of Harry Potter. It's gonna be a ride, so I hope you come along and watch the adventure with me. We're checking out. Say bye bye, Papa. Bye bye to Grand Nikko. Bye bye. For the first time in forever, there'll be music for the first time in forever. Look at the room. There's a new room. Saaf hai. And the view. You can see the city from here. Nice. We're out and about and we'll leave for TeamLab's museum. And that's the only thing that we'll do today. We're going to the metro station to get to TeamLab. Hi Dad. What's up?
It looks like we're back in Vietnam.
It's cool. We're in the bus now.
मैं ऐसे बैठ गया था खींचे
It's cold. It's cold. This is so nice. It's like you're within fishes. This. Dad. don't have words to say.
It was that lovely, wonderful. It was immersive and I was lost in my own world. So I'm still in my
Dazed.
zone.
It was beautiful.
I love
Must do.
Must.
Thumbs up. It's important to actually come to different convenience store to actually know what the culture is like. And also to buy some fruits because my sister likes fruits. My sister is very upset. But you don't have to eat it. No, Papa has to eat it. They're selling ice as well. We're going to Alice in Wonderland. And I'm sick today, so I have no energy. So that's why we didn't go out anywhere since morning. The metros are so complicated. I anyway don't understand Delhi metro. How will I understand this? Someone tell me. We're somewhere where it looks quite like how it would look in a cartoon. Oh, thank you. Yeah. The theming is nice. I like what everyone is also wearing. Look how pretty the theming is. This is the menu for dinner and this is our lunch menu. I ordered one white rabbit and my brother also ordered white rabbit. I got it with salmon and he got it with bacon. And this is how this looks. The first course that has come to us and it's in heart-shaped bowl and we can order these if you want original cocktails. Non-alcohol. Oh, these also look nice. Birthstones, wine by the glass. These are really nice. We got a welcome drink and that's our appetizer with some cheese sauce. Cheers. My brother's drink is glowing up. I have no idea how. I have a prettier drink. It's pink and it has flowers on top. We also got some dessert and coffee. We got some iced coffee for people who like their coffee with sugar. This one doesn't have any sugar or milk. It's just iced coffee, which my brother is very upset about. But this, I think it's gonna be tasty. Okay, now we are off to Dog Cafe so that we can pet some dogs. And I'm missing Eva and Elsa, so yeah, I'm excited about it. Are you excited, brother? Spotted some cute little doggies. They're so cute. This potato mozzarella cheese hot dog is all. I got this. It's tasty. Hi, my babies. Hi, my doggies. All babies are here. All babies are here. Hi. 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 Hey. Oh, my babies.
Oh, my intimacy is all I need from you to me.
Oh. They all ran away from me now. Hello, Baba. What's your baby? You like that? You like belly rubs? You like belly rubs? No? No belly rub. No? Shut up. Any rub. Hey you. Hey you. Hi. I'm so jealous of these two girls. I want
hypnotizing.
Why can't you see me on my knees for you, baby? I'm falling down, and I need you to catch me.
Deepu,
Hold my
I like you too, baby.
It's all I need from you tonight.
I love you, my good little girl. Good little girl. Bye, my cuties. Bye, bye, cuties. Bye, boy. Bye. Wait, arigato, thank you. I have nothing to add because I'm tired and tired, and I'll miss the streets. I'll miss people judging me while I'm doing things. Baba, how is your day looking like today?
As of now, very bright. Let's see.
Thank you. To Qatar. You can put your stuff here. I wish that me and my penguin, we stay together forever. Oh, hope my family stay happy and healthy. हमें भी लगाना चाहिए. Oh yeah. We arrived. This Dumbledore in front. We got ourselves some butterbeer and popcorn, of course. And the finale. How did you enjoy the making of Harry Potter? You did not enjoy it.
No, I mean, the point is that they have put in so much effort,
Yes, that's true.
and that effort is visible through the creation of this place.
Which is why you're taking photos of the flowers and not answering me.
Yeah, answer to तुम्हारे पास है ही already, ना?
Uffo, daddy. I don't know why people consider you the coolest dad.
They should see this reality where you just ignore me for no reason.
I'm not ignoring you.
So actually we did like it, but we didn't really love it because it was not as interactive as we thought. It only had like a lot of pictures and text, and that's about it. I mean, that's nice, but we are used to immersive experiences now. So I was expecting a little more, but it's okay. My Tokyo days come to an end over here. However, I would like to add that I was extremely sick because of the hot temperature, cold temperature that kept happening, and I did not explore as much as I wanted to, and I did not record as much as I would like to share with you. There's a lot more to Japan, and I assure you, we did do a lot of cultural experiences as well. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the 4 or 5 experiences that I shared with you here, and on to the next chapter. Bye!